Tired of your fantasy football team dragging you down? Today, we're going to show you how to delete a team in ESPN Fantasy Football. Whether you're the league manager or just trying to ditch your underperforming squad first, open the ESPN Fantasy Football app or go to the ESPN Fantasy Football website. If you're the league manager, navigate to your league's homepage and find the League tab. It's usually at the top of the screen. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select League Settings, scroll down, and find Remove Team. This option is only available to league managers. Individual team owners follow these next few steps. From the league homepage, find Team, and from the drop-down menu, select Team Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, select Retire Team, and a confirmation message will pop up asking if you are sure. This action removes your team from the league. And that's it, a smooth and easy way to remove a team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ESPN Fantasy Football tips and tricks.